It's not often you come across a power supply with ultra-low noise, a small form factor, and high efficiency. With the new TLB5 DC-DC converter, you get all three. The TLB5 has an output ripple and noise of just 10 millivolts peak to peak, thanks to its built-in Class B filter. It's compact, too. This 5-watt DC-DC converter fits in a space-saving dual inline package. The TLB5's noise and compact size don't come at the expense of efficiency, which tops out at 89%. Typical DC-DC converters in this class are barely 80% efficient. Applications for the TLB5 include telecom, wireless networking, industrial control, and semiconductor equipment. Get the TLB5 datasheet to learn more.